when you want to have the best seats in the house. Be in the middle of a snarling traffic jam in New York City. Or shopping in an outdoor market in New Delhi, India. Then it's time you discovered Ambience 2, Series 7000 from Sound Ideas. Ambience 2 is Sound Ideas' amazing sequel that brings to life a total of 360 all-new contemporary atmospheres on 15 CDs. Each effect is digitally recorded and 3 minutes in length, taking you everywhere from a barnyard to a backyard to a busy shipyard. Ambience 2 features an extensive collection of foreign recordings from 30 countries worldwide. There is even a full CD of thrilling sound design scenes that put you in the middle of a war zone. Into the heat of a raging forest fire. Or back in time to a western street scene. Ambience 2 comes with its own attractive storage case, and full details of every CD are on the back of each jewel case. Ambience 2 is the perfect companion to the Sound Ideas Series 3000, our first ambience library. Sound Ideas Ambience 2 takes you from a corner pub in England to the casinos of Las Vegas, to an outdoor World Series celebration. Ambience 2 Series 7000 from Sound Ideas. Call a Sound Ideas representative today and put yourself in the right atmosphere for success.